Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Uh, Let us see like what happened in the market today. So as you can see today, there was a kind of panic selling mood in the market because of the world market scenario. Like all the world markets yesterday were negative. Due to that, you can see like Nasdaq, uh, all the Nasdaq was down almost like to 1.8% somewhat yesterday. So US 30, you can see that also was also crashing yesterday. So that's the reason I think I don't know like what is the real reason for uh, Nifty to or Nifty or Banknifty to crash today. Even though it's not a very big crash considering how it moved up, went up since last 2 3 weeks, but this is a considerably a bearish. What do you call? You can see a bearish. Definitely, the market has turned bearish. The bearish sentiment. What we can see right now is that. But yeah. Let's try to analyze like what I discussed yesterday in Nifty. So if I open the Nifty chart yesterday I told you if market comes near this 19400 range, try to buy it till this range. Remember yesterday I told you till the exactly market went there and started reversing from there actually. Even though we didn't get an entry here because I told somewhere around 19400. I think it went from 19420. It didn't touch that. Anyways, it has touched that whatever range I had marked. It is just um, very minutely it has touched that range and went up. Anyways, so this was a actually predicted move. No one would have captured this range. So what is the next? So what happened later? So after that, we can see market came down sharply. So as I told you in yesterday's video, these were protected lows actually. Yesterday I told you this was a protected low. So this was taken out. You see, so till here we can say market is bullish. The previous low is taken. And if the candle starts trading below this 1939 tomorrow, bearishness will be confirmed tomorrow. As of now, it has become bearish because of this wide huge selling, and also in the pullback, you can see it was sold. See, generally, if you see gold charts, I'll just show you. Whenever it was sold like this, market rallied back because this was a very bullish sign. Whenever it's a very bullish sign, so market will do this. It will come back sharply and reverse like this. Here also you can see market went up, came down, but again it reversed. So whenever there is a sharp selling till now, market recovered very soon. Sharp selling, recover and made a new high. Right. So it was a sharp buying, sold off. So always remember one thing: sharp buying and sharp selling are not good. So it's nothing but an order flow. What you see, if you have seen order flow concepts, just search on YouTube. So the order flow is, so whenever the market wants to go down, it will come down first, go up first, because they will accumulate all the orders here and set it up. See, this is a similar pattern. Whenever market makes a very big downside move, it goes slow and steady upside. Market went very soon upside, came back. Market came slowly, went up. So this is the cycle of the market. See, whenever market in a bull market does a pullback or comes down, goes like this. So whenever you see big green candles going like this without no reason, okay. So here also market went up like anything, but this was a expiry device. This was not expiry, I'm sorry. So here also you can see this, there was a selling here. Market broke this and went up. So whenever we are in a, you can say anyway, market rallied like this, straight line rally, sold off till here. See anyway. So till here it was a market was bearish mode, but here somewhere the selling was getting what do you call, overshadowed by the buying. Sold off somewhere the bottom was getting flat, but sold off, bottom was getting flat, go. So this rally, no way we had a such big sell off, sold off. So this was a big rally, but market never came back. Market went up. So every time it won't work, but what I'm saying is the market really wants to turn bearish, it will create such candles, straight candles. You can observe anywhere, you can observe. See here also market went up very sharp. Okay, it came back very sharp. So they were accumulating orders from here to sell off from there. Nothing bad. You see from market structure angle, this was the previous low, a 5-minute time frame. So this was taken out. So now I can say market has turned bearish in a 5-minute time frame. So we cannot generalize just by saying in a 1 hour time frame it's still bullish. Yeah, in 1 hour time frame it's still bullish, but once the market turns bearish, you'll get better entries only in the PE side. I'll show you with examples how it will trade today. So this was Nifty. So Nifty, I told, since it is until and unless above it is this range, right? I had actually marked this range. I told you this was stop loss, this entry here was bullish. Once it's broke out of this range, you can see here with a red candle, it actually came and tested this range again. It's not like you didn't get entry at all. So when you got sell off like this and you are waiting for market to go up, I told you it's below this, you don't have to buy because market has turned bearish. Market has turned bearish, we can confirm only after it sold off. So it sold off and came here. People are thinking to go long from here. Because seeing this accumulation pattern, people are thinking to go long. It went up somewhere here. So here, somewhere here, I think it is Fibonacci ratio or something, I guess. Let me check. Yeah. No, it's not exactly Fibonacci, 51%. Anyways, I'll show you. So it was sharply 19,400 exactly from the level I told you to buy, because that level was broken downside. Market actually went tested that level, did a fake out like this and came down. So this is what Nifty did. What did Banknifty do? I'll show you. Yesterday I told you clearly Banknifty was forming a consolidation pattern to go up. I also told you it can go and touch 46,000 if you remember. So this is what I expected. But what happened? First of all, market opened gap down. If the market had opened flat or somewhere here, definitely 46,000 was possible today, because I don't know what is the news today. What news? Is it due to the global sell-off which is happening, or it is due to some other local news in India? I don't know. You have to see like why market crashed today. See, when market went up 2,000 points, no one is asking why it went up. Without any good news, market was going up like this. Without any news, the world sentiments are bad. Market was outperforming every other market. But when market corrected a meager, not even 1%, I guess. Not even 1%. People are like, oh, market turned bearish. Anyways, see, when we are doing intraday trading, we have to be both bullish and bearish. But I'm telling you, if you are bearish, always search for entries in PE. Don't search for entries in CE. Okay. Same way I told you, I think not last video, previous video. I think day before yesterday's video, I told 45,000 is a very strong support. This level. If that gets broken, I told you this up move is invalidated. Clearly, I told you this gets invalidated. If you remember. So what happened is today, market almost open gap down. Just open CPR also. Let me draw the CPR. So market opened below the CPR. So, Banknifty opened below CPR. It did this. So these all are tradable. Even you got entry in C in P. That's just that in 1 minute time frame you have to do trade. Anyways, if you are if waiting for big movements, you got it today in P side. I'll tell you how. Could enter here. So market did this. I told you 45,000 once it is broken. Enter P. How will enter? This is a breakout. Definitely you cannot enter on breakout. So you should have waited for some confirmation. So came down, no entry in P. Okay, it did some small pullback. Okay, but after I think 12 o'clock, market was trying to reverse. Okay, so if the market broke our level of 45,000, okay, we have to keep in mind that market has turned bearish. Not all of these pullbacks will be bought. Right? How we are seeing all these pullbacks are getting bought? If the market is bearish, the pullbacks will not be bought. The pullback will be used for selling other time. So this was a chance actually. If you had just used this Fibonacci ratio somewhere, especially when the market is doing wild, big momentum. See, today we had a momentum of around close to 400 points, 380 points. So if the market is doing big moments and you're not able to catch these big trades, definitely market will give you again another chance. Again, I think by 255 you got a chance because 61.8% exactly market took resistance there. Okay, see on a 3-minute time frame, you can see this kind of a candle. Market was breaking this low. So anyways, I don't trade this particular candle pattern. I'm just telling. See, you don't have an order block here. Just see how do you trade this big move? You miss this big move. Somewhere here you'll get the move. You have to wait. Because market didn't do any pullback. Market should have come here. See, it did kind of, so there was some kind of order block here. This was an order block. If you see, market went up and okay. At least if market had come till here, you could have put a small stop line. But in a bear run or very strong bear run or strong bull run, pullbacks generally will not be even so much. If I just compare this with Nifty, Nifty gave a pullback of just 38.2%, not even 61.8. Banknifty actually gave 61.8% because it didn't have any kind of pullbacks here or 38.2% level. It didn't create any. We can trade this also. See, this is also an order block. But yeah, this is kind of liquidity sweep you can see because of the momentum Banknifty has. Somewhere if you had just drawn this Fibonacci levels, they also you could have just targeted this low. Exactly it does this 61.8 level. Swept that 61.8 and came back and test the low. Done. What a big trade you could have got. I'll just show you the premium chart, how much premium moved at 5 minutes time frame. See, if you had taken somewhere around 292 or say 299, exactly you had got 162 points. What more you need? 162 points in just, I think, 15-20 minutes. 162 points is enough for the day. You don't want any other trade. You saw a sell off, market was taking resistance, keep a stop loss somewhere here, sell off. Because already 45,000 level, crucial level was broken and was forming big red candles and market was not giving the pullback. This move what we saw here till upside, people could have traded this also. It's also a possible trade today. This is not like If you switch to 1 minute time frame, definitely this is also tradable. You'll get a lot of entries, order blocks and all that. But it's a counter trend. That's all. You have to do scalping. Whenever you're in a counter trend, you have to do scalping. Whenever you're in a main trend, even if you enter somewhere here by mistake, okay. Say you saw this breakout of this zone, whatever. Entered somewhere here. Definitely market didn't take your stop loss anyway. It gave you profit. So if you are in a pro trend, so you should know what is pro trend, what is this one. Only then you can know which direction to trade. So even if the market is trending and if you're in the pro trend, definitely either you'll be in profit or cost to cost. Otherwise, you have to look for all these scalping options like order blocks. They have their own limitations like stop losses. Sometimes it will be absorbed during liquidity sweeps and all that. You can see this there is a double top here. It swept here. It went up. So this kind of sweeps will be there, but it's very difficult to analyze in live. If you're doing live trading, it becomes very difficult to see this, but you have to train your eyes in such a way that you see that. So this was a big sell-off. So very rarely we see this kind of a sell-off. That too in the last half an hour it has come means. But be careful because this can be sharp selling can be an order flow by itself. So if market breaks this level, 45,100 tomorrow, 45,088, whatever, definitely again it can turn bullish and target these highs. So be aware. So whenever there is a pullback, doesn't mean, so whenever it breaks this 45,845, definitely the bearishness will continue till it finds some other support here. See, it took the exact support today at this level. You can see somewhere around this, almost this gap is supposed to get filled today. It's okay. This is the best trade. What we got 61.8 Fibonacci. This was the best trade. So Nifty, I wanted to show you that Nifty didn't pull back 61.8 levels. It just pulled back for. Let's see. Let me pull this. At 38.1. Okay. See, nice. Nifty, as I told you, was difficult. Just Nifty was not easy. Smooth, someone would have captured. It's easy because Nifty, once it broke this low, only the bearishness will be confirmed. Whereas we don't know this selling will happen because whenever we saw this selling happening here also, suddenly market is reversing from anywhere. From anywhere it's just reversing. You have to be careful. So even now I'm saying if Nifty breaks 19418, this level, it's like you can call protected high. Okay, this is protected high, this is protected low. This is the range of the market. Okay, whichever side it breaks. Okay, don't chase the market. So as many YouTubers say, chase the market when 100 points, 150. No, whichever side it breaks, if it breaks this side, okay, definitely market will turn bullish. Okay, wait for a pullback. Just suppose. Why I am telling both sides is whatever because of this last move, I'm seeing kind of because a pattern is getting repeated every time. Whenever there's a sell-off like this, market slowly and steadily move up. Okay, so I'm seeing. So whenever there's a move like this, market can slowly and steadily move up like this. Or if market doesn't break this, okay, already you can see some green candle. Take this as a stop loss, 19,300 as a stop loss. Target this. Okay, if market breaks this level, Nifty breaks this level with a gap up or say with a very wild momentum like this, wait for a pullback somewhere here, then target whatever 19,580 whatever. Okay, so this is what if the market wants to be bullish. So where the candle opens tomorrow will decide. Suppose if it opens below 19,300, definitely it's going to be very bearish. So tomorrow where it opens, I'm sorry, Monday where it opens decides. If we don't have any bad news over the weekend, definitely the market stays within this range. Definitely try to cover at least till here because overall market in a just because today one day there was a big sell-off, I don't think the market has turned bearish. I'm still bullish on the market. Nifty at least. Intraday basis, it is bearish. Intraday basis, it is bearish because it has broken this level of 19, 400. This level 19,384. Anyways, so but overall higher time frame, I seems to this if it takes 19 4 months out, I'm bullish. Wait for a pullback or even if you want to be a very risky trader, you can enter here only at this particular current spot rate. Target this side, tail your stop loss, go and market breaks this, sell. I don't know till where it wants to go. See, we have a level here, till where it can go. Okay, market can upside, the downside. We don't know. Market can reverse from here. Market can reverse from here, here, here. From where it will reverse, we don't know because whenever such a bull run happens, correction must happen. But from where correction will happen, we don't know. If you see, like, just want to show one thing. If I just put a Fibonacci correction, this one from here to here, 50% is 19,000, 61% is 18,984. So Nifty can come and touch here, and possibly we don't know. So if this is a real bull trend, what we can see, definitely market will do like this. Come here, go here. 38 point is very bullish. 50% is bullish. Mildly bullish. 61.8 is slow market. 78.2 is risky. But the moment will be, this will be very quick. 8.2 is like a super bullish. Anyways, so these are the levels you can see. It wants to come down. It takes these. Watch out these levels. Whatever you're seeing here, these levels, market not exact levels, at least nearby. 50% nearby 61.8, nearby 38.2. Market is not at all come to 38.2. So again, it's bearish or something. Anyways, I'm still bullish for Nifty. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty, this is the zone I told you. So these two zones are breaking this trade, take till trade here. I don't know if pullback it gives pullback or not. 89.84. My maximum maybe. So Bank Nifty, I want to see. So Bank Nifty, and just draw this Fibonacci level. Anyways, we want to just see same level. I'll mark for it. So the Bank Nifty breaks 45,100. Look for long opportunities. Don't trade on breakout. Look for some pullbacks and but you have some stop loss. If you want to just take a trade, and if the Bank Nifty opens flat or say some small gap up, not a big gap up near here, small gap up, you can take this as stop loss 44,840 trade till here, whatever. Like just keep trailing your stop loss. You don't know how the market might move. It might move very slow and steady. At least till here you'll get this whatever this 150 point. 150 actually it is huge. 250 points. Around 240 points you'll get easily. So premium say you'll get 120, 150 points, you'll get arms. There's no problem. So this is one trade. So below this, definitely you gap down. Definitely. So this will it will be panic selling, or I don't know. That will go very slow and steady. See, overall, I'm telling you, it is a bullish market. Small corrections like this, you should not think that market is bearish. That is what these market makers want you to think, because once you fix your mind on what is the real trend and what is that entry you are going to take, there are only two things to see: either C or P. If you are right in direction, if your entry is more so like approximately correct also, not very wrong also. I mean, somewhere nearby also you entered properly. Definitely, if your direction is correct, market will give you enter proper profit. If your direction is wrong and you are ready to take stop losses, okay, uh, then also you'll be protected. But if your direction is wrong and there's no stop loss, you're waiting for magic to happen, that will not happen. So this will not happen. So just be aware of these two. This ranges are marked 44,600, 44,350. These are the range. I don't think so. It'll market will crash till it's like a huge crash. Like how much? 500 points. I don't think so. Market might already today 500 points down, almost 1%. So more than 1.5% market again. I don't think if it falls, it's good. It'll be a good pullback to enter long, but again, it'll be very slow. So if it falls very soon, so market will cry and go, cry. Somewhere here to come here, then it'll go somewhere, some Thursday. When some expiry will go like this, okay. So it'll take a long time. As for me, market should reverse from here and break out this zone and just keep going upside because the momentum is good. The momentum is good, premiums will run fast. If the moment is taken out, he said no one will get entry easily because there's panic selling. Pullbacks now will be very rare. Will not get proper pullbacks to trade. Okay. But I told you that get proper pullbacks, he said it will be very good. Because as you saw today, whenever sold pullbacks, I got real sell again. This is one trade. This is one trade. This is two. The three trades you could have got today. So whenever this selling happens, if there's a pullback, good. You got a lot of trades. If there is no pullback, difficult. So selling generally we don't get pullbacks. Only in buying we get a lot of pullbacks. So it goes. So let us see what will happen. So we will mark these two ranges. Breakout of we can inside the candle is this within range. Try to buy. Try to buy till here. Candle is below this range. Don't try to buy. Try to sell. Look for pullbacks and then sell. Even if you're buying outside this box, look for pullback and then buy. You don't buy blindly. So just I want to see where is the CPR. CPR is a descending CPR. Definitely is. Let us see. CPR is also kind of narrow. It's not a very big range. Just 90 86 points. It'll be good for market to fall. I feel in Nifty, market has to go up very well. In Banknifty, I feel why I told you Nifty has to go up very well because Banknifty is actually more stressed. See, Banknifty. So how many all times high it has already made? Even if it comes in correction, there's no problem because for sure banking sector in India is not so strong. Hope so much. If it's going like that, see, if it's going like this somewhere, this kind of what we got here. This is actually too much. So, anyways, what I feel is Nifty is actually undervalued. You see, fundamentally, Nifty valuation somewhere I feel it's not right because companies have been doing good. So last many years, this Nifty has not given proper returns. It has not gone up very. It's just dancing. Now it has broken out of this range. Nifty must go at least to 20,000 somewhere. Then okay, let it test there for some time. Then only the bank Nifty. I don't think so. Banking, considering how strong or weak is our banking sector, I don't think so. This valuation is right for bank Nifty. Bank Nifty somewhere is valid. What I heard from other channels is bank Nifty's valuation is too much. Actually. It's not even close to 35,000. Yes. Definitely valuation is more or less bank, whatever the index, you try to balance it. It will not go up like this so soon. Okay. But whatever we do as intraday traders, I don't think so. This all will matter to us. But please keep in mind, we expect the correction uh, in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if it corrects, it's good. It will be good because swings are also big swings. Premium movement will be good. Nifty, all small swings, you don't get big points anyways. For the trade with big lots, they'll make money. But that's what is my viewpoint. I'm more bullish on Nifty compared to Bank Nifty. Let us see how it goes already because even the Fibonacci level has been tested. I think it has broken also this level. Let us see. Nifty, I don't think so. It is even test even 23%, I guess. Not even test 23%. Nifty looks more stronger than Bank Nifty. This is my analysis. Mark these ranges as last. It's the last 2 hours range. Whichever side market breaks, rate the pullback. That's it. Thank you. Let me know what your thoughts on the video and please subscribe, like, subscribe my channel, like to my videos, and let me know your comments on my video. Thank you.